Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite subjects, my puppy Ned. I'm going to use color pencils, which is a very slow process, but it was so much fun. I had got a picture of him all curled up in a blanket, and I figured why not go ahead and give it a try. And I used my Arteza color pencils. And I think I even used some of my Prismacolor color pencils as well. My set of Arteza color pencils has so many more colors than the set I have of my Prismacolors. But they do work hand in hand very well together. And I used odorless mineral spirits to blend out the color pencils. The brand I use is Mona Lisa, but I think any brand works the same on that. Working on the little blanket that he was bundled up in. It's a white blanket, so pretty much just have to put in the shadowing from the crinkles. I used a piece of tracing paper under my wrist to help keep from smudging the work whenever my arm was touching the paper anyways. My tip for when you're working on an animal subject, try your best to make all your strokes of your pencil or brush or whatever go in the direction in which the fur or hair or feathers flow on the animal. This is when I really pulled in some of the Prismacolors because their darks are so much darker, so much quicker than the Artezas, so it really came in handy when I was working on his little nose. You might not be able to tell, but the whole time I'm working on the puppy Ned, it's all little tiny hair strokes. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.